Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Look, who's there? Yes, it's your friend B. B says b, ball. The better you read, the better you get. So, let's read and write the letter B. Children, let's read. It's B. B. B, ball. B, B, boy. B, B, bat. Well done, students. Let's revise once again. B, ball. B, boy. B, bat. Well done. B says B. Children, let's do picture reading. B. B. B, boy. B, boy. Well done. It's a ball. B, ball. It's a bat. B, bat. B, bat. Well done, students. B says B. Look here. What is it? It's a bird. B, bird. Now, children, let's revise. B, boy. B, boy. B, ball. B, bat. B, bird. Well done, students. Look, bird is saying well done. Look here, children. Let's color the letter B with your favorite color. Let's color B. So here is my color. I am coloring the letter B. Always color between the lines. Don't go out of the boundary. Look, we are coloring the letter B. Now, B is your best friend. Good. B, boy. Well done, children. We have done it. Look here, children. Who's there? B, ball. Now we'll do an interesting activity with B. I have some pebbles here. We'll make B with them. Yes, children. First we'll make a standing line. Let's make a standing line with pebbles. Look here. It's a standing line. We have made a standing line and now we'll make a small curve. Let's make a small curve with small pebbles. Yes, children, it's a small curve. Now, we'll make another curve. Look here. We can make a curve with pebbles. Here we go with. Another curve. And we have completed B with a standing line, look, and a small curve, another curve. It's B, ball. Well done, children. We have done it. Children, look here. It's B, ball. Let's practice writing B in your notebook. For writing B, children, we use the first 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. Make a standing line and a curve up to the middle line. Again a curve up to the bottom black line. It's B, ball. Standing line, a small curve, again a small curve. It gives B, ball. A standing line, a small curve up to the middle line, and again a small curve. It gives us letter B. Standing line, a curve, again a curve. Well done, students. We have written letter B. We have done it. Children, let's write it once again. Come. We write the letter B in the first 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. So, make a standing line and a small curve up to the middle line. Again a small curve up to the black bottom line. It's B. Standing line, a small curve and a small curve again. It's B, ball. Well done. Standing line, a small curve and again a small curve. It's letter B. Very good, children. I hope you are doing it. Let's do it once again. Standing line, a small curve, a curve again. It makes the letter B. It's B, ball. Bird, look here. We have done it. Children, here I have the set of letters. You will help me to count how many times the letter B is written. Ball. Let's see how many times B is there. B, ball. 1. Yes, 2. 3 and 4 and 5. So, B is written 5 times. B, ball. Well done, children. We have done it. Hope you enjoyed the activity. Children, it's time for homework. Practice writing B in your notebook. Keep learning. Give your best. Thank you.